Hello, You Are Epic brings to you Magical Mondays. You Are Epic is a platform for self transformation. You Are Epic is for those who would like to realize their potential and use it to their best. Magical Mondays is a soft nudge that you can make this week a magical one by changing your sanskars. I will narrate a small story. The caterpillar is an ugly form of butterfly. While in cocoon, it struggles and discharges a sticky fluid, and slowly but gradually it frees itself, and just before this moment the caterpillar resigns to its fate and feels it's all over. I'll never be able to move or see the beauty of the world. That's when the breakthrough comes. And here comes a beautiful butterfly. In real life, too, no true beauty is achievable without struggles. The metamorphosis that a caterpillar goes through is what is required in life to change to a butterfly. If each one of us changes, the society automatically will shift to a better place. Each one of us only has to change those sanskars, changing which can make us a butterfly. The caterpillar story gives us two lessons. 1. The limitations of being in a cocoon are of our own making, and we can break free of them. 2. There is beauty beyond our struggles. So take a leap of faith. Hello, this is Dr. Urvashi Yashroy, your transformational coach from You Are Epic. Every creature on this earth is striving for betterment of self. Like a caterpillar, we too are struggling to reach our highest potential. Changing only those sanskars that we feel are our limiting factors, like fear, inferiority complex, anger, or self doubt. We'll be beautiful butterflies of our world. 7 ingredients of the recipe to bettering your sanskars are: 1. Intention is the calling of awakening. You do not stumble on it by chance, it's an inner voice. 2. Perseverance. Falling back to our old sanskar is our comfort zone, and change is not an overnight achievement. Stay there and keep trying. 3. Slowing. Slowness can lengthen the gap between an impulse and action. Remember, an athlete too watches his performance in slow motion to understand where to change. 4. Awareness upgrades our ability to see things illuminated rightly. Awareness is learning more and more and taking responsible actions. 5. Fearlessness is the ability to face the unknown. We challenge our ability to tolerate unpleasant sensations and still survive. 6. Vision. Visualize self in what you would like to be and give the life force vital for its growth. 7. Practice. Understanding what can trigger a relapse and rededicating ourselves to our practice keeps us from backsliding. This is a good time to ask yourself, how can my practice be more reflective? Which of the 7 elements do I need to work on? What sends me into a tailspin? Think and get going. Change the sanskar for being vibrant and colorful butterflies of your life, the sight of whom brings joy to all. For more sanskar bettering insights, connect with us on our Insta handle, YouAreEpic11, and do not forget to share, like, or subscribe to Magical Mondays. Enjoy every step of this journey and change to a magical you every Monday.